This is a BNB price prediction for this week. Binance Coin price prediction and technical analysis. This week's price prediction for Binance Coin and TRON. Invest in the hideaways as an alternative to Ethereum and Binance Coin. Binance Coin price forecast for 2022, 2025, and 2030. This week's price prediction for Binance Coin and TRON. With the crypto market recovering from yesterday's drop, there is speculation that the market will report a more steady price in the next few days. Today's top cryptocurrencies are Binance Coin, TRON, and others. Bitgert and Sensex are two more currencies that crypto investors should check out this week. However, since the Fed is meeting in a few days, the price may remain volatile this week. So, how will Binance Coin, TRON, and these two cryptocurrencies do this week? There is a chance that these currencies may fall or remain flat in price during the next several days. Here are their pricing forecasts. Binance Coin is a cryptocurrency. Binance Coin remained flat this morning, having climbed by 0.5% in the previous 24 hours. As of this writing, Binance Coin was trading at $272.50, up from $270. The Canadian dollar is predicted to rise at a slow but steady rate for the remainder of the week, reaching $285 by the end of the week. If the market reaction to the Fed statement is negative, the Binance Coin may fall below $260. These are some of the things to think about. Invest in the hideaways as an alternative to Ethereum and Binance Coin. What will the price of Ethereum be in 2025? What will the price of BNB be in 2025? We believe that both the Ethereum and BNB price predictions are worse than the hideaways, a fresh new crypto project that allows you to invest in a potentially massive initiative from its inception. The supply of Ethereum is decreasing. The price continues to fall following the merger. According to the most recent on-chain study, Ethereum supply has decreased over 100% since its switch to the proof-of-stake consensus method. Only 9,700 ETH have been added to the network's circulating supply over a month after the merge. This implies that more coins are being burned than verified, marking the cryptocurrency's first deflationary event since its existence. While a limited supply generally pushes up prices, the price of Ethereum did not respond favorably. During the day, the coin slid 1.48% to $1,276. Because the Hideaways is a fresh new project that is currently in the pre-sale stage, Ethereum investors are flocking to it. It is a fantastic chance to be an early investor in a business and benefit from the massive profits made by Ethereum in the past. The price of Binance Coin has dropped due to a hack. On Thursday, a hacking event on Binance Coin wiped out 200 million BNB tokens worth $566 million, further depressing market confidence. During the session, the native coin of the Binance exchange fell to $269.80. The market is still trying to figure out what the new security breach means. Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao is attempting to downplay the latest issue by announcing plans to increase investments to $1 billion this year. This will be in addition to its high-profile transactions in 2022, which include a $200 billion investment in Forbes Media and a $500 million investment in Elon Musk's Twitter purchase. Even with the current effort, experts have warned that Binance Coin could drop in price once investors have fully understood what the last breach means. Many people have already sold their BNB shares and invested in the Hideaways, a popular pre-sale token. Totally new, the Hideaways have a lot of potential. With deflationary currencies failing to show price increases and more hacking incidents on crypto majors, the market is looking to the Hideaways for protection. The new cryptocurrency project is in the real estate business, which is one of the most stable places to invest when the economy is bad. It will give HDWY investors a lot of money every month. To attract new investors, new cryptocurrency efforts have a reputation for using an overpromise, underdeliver marketing approach. The Hideaways fundamentals, on the other hand, speak of its determination to be here for the long haul. Founder tokens will be locked for 2 years, while liquidity will be locked indefinitely. There is no way the project will be scrapped. It is one of the safest investments you can make, with locked liquidity and NFTs backed by real-world assets, all for a pre-sale price of 4 cents. This is a great chance to get in on the ground floor of the next Bitcoin or Ethereum, so don't miss out and start investing right away. Binance Coin price forecast for 2022, 2025, and 2030. Binance Coin is the cryptocurrency of the world's biggest crypto exchange by trading volume. BNB holders may obtain significant discounts on trading costs inside Binance, participate in the exchange's initial coin launch, and generate passive income via staking. Furthermore, BNB is a coin of Binance Smart Chain, a next-generation blockchain built by professionals at the exchange. BSC is better than Ethereum in many aspects, which is why it is fast gaining popularity. The BNB price is very volatile since it is heavily dependent on the performance of the exchange and the popularity of cryptocurrency trading. The year 2021, in particular, was highly successful for BNB, with the price rising from $40 at the start of the year to $690 at its peak. But suddenly the price dropped. Because of this, many investors want to know if and when this kind of performance could happen again. Traders Union specialists compiled long-term Binance Coin price forecasts from leading analytical platforms. The most recent BNB price indications for 1 day and 1 week are below. Technical analysis indicators are used to generate Binance Coin signals. To generate short-term BNB price predictions automatically based on technical analysis of moving averages and indicators for each period individually. Choose the period you need to determine the BNB price estimate for today. BNB USD rose more than 15 times from the year's low to the year's peak in 2021, but then lost a significant portion of its performance. The main concern for investors is whether Binance's cryptocurrency is a suitable investment right now, whether the cryptocurrency price increase will continue this year or in the medium term. We have put together a list of the BNB price estimates from the most respected expert organizations. According to Anton Karatanov, a TRON analyst, the Binance Coin price will vary between 99 cents and $1 by the end of 2022. According to Anton Karatanov, a TRON expert, the price of BNB will reach $286 by the end of 2022. Another such incident will be heavily influenced by the overall condition of things in the financial markets. When interest rates go up, it's bad for cryptocurrencies, but when they go down, it could bring back speculative optimism. This coin also has a solid basic foundation since it is multi-purpose and deflationary in nature. The rise in popularity of BNB will be helped by the fact that the Binance exchange is involved in the global crypto market and is building the Binance Smart Chain. TRON is another currency that is expected to perform well in the coming days if the Fed meeting does not cause a market sell-off. However, there is a potential that TRON may fall if the market is negative. TRON's price has risen by 2.2% in the last 24 hours to 6 cents at the time of writing. If the market falls into a bear market this week, the price of TRON might fall by 10% to 0.05677. However, assuming this has no effect on market values, TRON will rise to 6 cents. Bitgert is projected to be one of the 4 best performing cryptocurrencies this week. This week's price estimate for Bitgert is a 20% gain. This is despite the Fed hiking interest rates to combat inflation. As a result, Bitgert might be the best purchase this week. It is vital to mention that Bitgert is introducing significant products, one of which is the Bitgert exchange. As a result, Bitgert's rapid acceptance will be a crucial element this week. Sensex. The Sensex price forecast indicates that the currency will rise by plus 10% this week. This price increase will be based on the innovations the team is working on, as well as the enthusiasm around the currency. Sensex is also a high-utility coin, and its adoption will be critical in driving the price up by 10% this week. This is CryptoBlockIQ. Subscribe to this channel to get the latest price analysis and trading systems signals. We focus on LUNC News Today, Terra Luna Classic News Today, Luna Classic Price Prediction. Also, we present analysis on Bitcoin and Bitcoin News Today. We cover tickers, XRP, BTC, Cardano, ETH technical analysis, and BNB Hive. We also going to add explanations on topics such as how to stake Luna Classic and BNB Miner works. Our videos cover BTC technical analysis, Luna Classic price prediction, Binance USC analysis, and more, Metin 2F. In the next weeks, we will add vechain live news in our videos and ethereum mainnet details. Write down below in the comments what is your strategy for the next few days. Click the card on the right to get to more price prediction and technical analysis videos.